Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have this all-new iJDMTOY JDM Smoked Lens Revier 3D Switchback LED daytime running lights and turn signals for the 2014 to 2016 Mazda 3 Axela. In the back is the built-in resistors to prevent any hyperflash or error message issues. It's powered by a super bright Revier LED with 7 pieces total to function as both LED daytime running lights and also the turn signals. This is a replacement to your OEM turn signals to upgrade them to these new Switchback LEDs. To wire it up, plug this to your OEM turn signal plug and the red wire to ACC 12 volt.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.